Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Today we have a full guide on Browse AI. Learn how to scrape websites and navigate faster with AI. Start by opening your web browser. I have Google Chrome open right in here and just type in browse.ai right here. Once you are there, click sign up or this get started to create an account. Use your email and password or log in with Google if that option is available. After verifying your email, log in and you land on the Browse AI dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see sections like robots, tasks, data, and monitors. Robots are your agents that do the scrapping. Tasks track their executions. Data holds the extracted outputs. Monitors watch for changes. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these tabs. Next, download and install the Browse AI browser extension available for Chrome, Firefox, or any of your browser. This extension lets you record your actions on websites to teach Browse AI how to extract data. After installing, return to the dashboard and click Build New Robot or Create Robot. Enter the URL of the web page you want to scrape and click Start Recording. The extension opens the page and begins capturing your interactions. Perform the steps you want automated. Scroll, click on elements, open detail pages as needed. As you click each data point you want, e.g. product name, price, image, a small box appears for you to name it. Label the data points clearly, e.g. title or price. Once you are done recording, stop the recording. Browse AI will show a preview of the robot's steps and data fields. Review them and make sure it correctly captured what you want. If needed, adjust or retrain certain steps. Now, click Save and Run or similar. The robot will execute and extract data for that page. After it finishes, go to the Data tab and view your extracted results. You can sort, filter, or preview each record. To scale up, set up pagination or deep scrapping. Teach the robot to click next or scroll to more items so it covers multiple pages. Browse AI also supports workflows so one robot can feed data into another for chained scrapping. If you want the robot to run on schedule, go to the tasks or monitor section and configure execution frequency, e.g. hourly, daily, or weekly. This turns your scrape into an automated always-on process. For websites that require login, that is members-only areas, use the extension to record your login session and include those actions in your robot flow. After data extraction, export your data that is either in CSV or JSON or send it into integrations like Google Sheets, Airtable, or Zapier. In fact, Browse AI, as you can see here, has built-in support to connect with Zapier, so your scraped data can automatically flow into your workflows. Finally, regularly monitor and maintain your robot. Websites change layouts often, so occasionally revisit and adjust your robot when data stops being extracted properly. Browse AI also has adaptive features to minor page changes automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.